Hi, Miss Jackson. My name's Colin. I'm your PSW. I'm just here to change your bedding. I'm now going to apply my personal protective equipment before entering the residence room. Use hand rub for approximately 20 seconds, getting in between your fingers, around your thumbs, clasping with your other hand, and making attention to your fingernails against your palm. Once properly applied, it will be dried. I'm now going to apply my gown. Making sure to overlap the back to cover all spaces. No. And applying gloves, make sure to find them that are to your size and fit firmly around your hands. Then applying a mask around your ears, going over your chin and nose, and pinching the bridge of your nose to make sure there's a firm seal. I'm going to get my clean linen prior to entering the room. Making sure to collect it in the opposite order of what I will be using it, so that when I prepare my linen, it's easy to grab from. As I remove the linen, I'm going to start with the pillow. Making sure to roll it down on the sides and away from my body. I'm going to place the pillowcase in the dirty laundry bin and place the pillow to the side in a clean area. I'm going to get the sheet, pulling from the bottom, pulling away from myself, rolling everything into a ball. I take the dirty linen and I place it in the dirty linen bag. Before applying the new clean linen, I will remove my dirty gloves and apply new ones. First I will do hand hygiene, 20 seconds. And for demonstration purposes, I will be mock applying gloves. I will begin to apply the linen. First, I will remove the pillow to a clean area. Get the sheet, and I will lay it lengthways, doing my best to avoid shaking the bed sheet. Next, I will apply the waterproof pad to the bed, applying it lengthways, leaving the cotton side facing towards the top. Next, we'll apply the flat sheet, laying it lengthways as well to avoid spreading dust and microbes. I am now going to grab the top sheet or blanket and put it on top of the flat sheet, making sure to lay it lengthways along the bed to avoid shaking microbes. I will now make a modified corner with the top sheet and the flat sheet. We'll now get a new pillowcase and apply it to the pillow. I will now doff my PPE, beginning with my gloves, making sure not to touch my skin to the gloves, rolling it into a ball, throwing that in the garbage. I will now remove my gown, making sure to pull it away from me and into a ball. rolling it up, and throwing it away. I will now do hand hygiene, rubbing for approximately 20 seconds, making sure to get in between my fingers, around my thumbs by clasping it with the opposing hand, and getting my fingertips. I will now remove my mask, and again, do hand sanitizing. Again, rubbing for 20 seconds. Thank you.